can all do that. Then you hold it in the other hand, and you've got those lovely carrots somewhere. Now you do that for the kids, they'll eat the vegetable, I think it can. When you peel a potato, it doesn't matter whether you're right-handed, left-handed, like a politician underhand. All you take off that potato, or any other fruit and vegetable, is a thin layer of skin. You've got no waste, you do it record time. You come to an eye, you scoop it out, that's the scoop. Everybody's got one like this, they take too long. Grandma gets arthritis, she can't hold that. She can hold this with one finger. Even arthritis won't stop her feeling. To make really good French fries, use the eye at the side, use your thumb as a stop. You know what makes them so good? They've got 3 sides, so they use less oil. You'll turn the whole potato into great French fries in no time. Hold it in the other hand, it's more than a peeler. Now it's a mandolin, a slicer. You let those slices go into hot oil and watch them go brown, you're going to love the chips. You hit that bar every time, you get a clean slice every time. You'll slice hard cheese for Caesar salad. You haven't got a knife at home, we'll make home fries as thin as that. How long would it take to do that with a knife? Now my machine is so gentle, you'll peel asparagus without breaking the tip. I know this is a carrot. You want to see how easy? Just pull the handle in. Just try it. Hold it at the side. Look at that. Go on, do it again. You've never used a peeler so sharp or comfortable in your life. I'll show you how you do this. You can have them. It takes a few seconds. First, you peel the carrot, and then you slice it. Now, when you slice, you don't hold the carrot up in the air like when you peel. You put that carrot on a hard, flat surface. You press harder than when you peel, so the slices come out thicker than the peel. You slice hard Italian cheese, as thin as this. Now you put the slices together like a pack of playing cards. You can all do it, but you've got to use at least 6 slices. Don't try this with one slice by itself, it won't work. You fold the slices over. You hold the loose ends in one hand. Now you can see how sharp it is. See, they're made in Switzerland from stainless steel, they cannot rust. They're dishwasher safe, they never need sharpening.
How much are they?
And if anyone thinks that's a special one, you can have that one, I'll use another one. This is not TV, this is live. You can't buy them in the stores. They're made in Switzerland. They're not made in China. They're $5 each. They're worth every penny. They last a lifetime. And if you buy 4 for 20, you get 1 free. You want 2. So you get 1 for 5, you get 5 for 20. I know you don't need 5 peelers, but next week you'll need some gifts. And when you give that as a gift, you're giving them something they can't buy in any store. How many? 1 for you. They're going to think of you every time they set foot in the kitchen. How many? You want the 5? You only want 1. You've got no friends like me. 1 for 5, 5 for 20. The best $5 you'll ever spend. They're not cheap. Nothing from Switzerland was ever cheap. Think of the Swiss Army knife. You're not buying these because they're cheap. You buy them because they're good and they work. If you want to buy cheap, you get one of these in a 99-cent store. They're no good, but they're cheap. They don't do anything.